Hello friends, this is Ansh and today I'm going to show you how you can make a simple platformer game in Scratch. So I'm going to use my Scratch cat here for the player. I'm going to name it player and I'm going to write the code for it, just a movement code with arrow keys. So when green flag clicked, I'm going to set its size to 50% as this is very big size. So 50%, forever loop, if statement, key, up arrow pressed, change y by 8 because we want the cat to move upward. So when key up arrow pressed, change y by 8. I'm going to duplicate that and put it in here. Down arrow -8, and I'm going to duplicate that and put it here. And now I'm going to use the right arrow and the left arrow, and instead of change y by, I'm going to change x by 8 and change x by -8. So this is just a simple arrow key program that your cat can move. So now I'm going to make a platform for the cat, and I'm also going to do, as it has this running sprite, so I'm going to do like I'm going to repeat it. So every time it is going to repeat 8 times like this. I'm going to change x by 8 in the repeat 8, and now I'm going to switch costume to costume to next costume, and I'm going to forever switch costume to costume 1. I'm going to duplicate that, put it here, remove that and add it. So now we have just a running cat, but as you can see it's just running. Oh, because I didn't do it -8, so -8. And so now you can see the cat is running, but it's always pointing in the right direction. So I'm just going to do this: point in direction 90 for the right and point in direction -90 for the left. So now you can see that it is moving, but it's upside down. So I'm just going to do the direction left and right here. So now you can see it's moving left and right. Now I'm going to paint a new sprite, add add a platform to it. I'm just going to make a platform of green 16 is good, and yeah, so this would be my platform. I'm going to make it bigger in size. So here is our platform. I'm going to drag it here, and I'm just going to stop the game. And so our scratch cat has to drop here, so I'm going to go to this position, and for this I'm going to events when green flag clicked, forever no, not the forever loop, go to this position, and yeah, I think this is okay. Now I'm going to go for the cat, and I'm going to add change y by -8, so it's going to drop down and are on the platform. But as you can see, this time it won't go on the platform, it just goes around it. So I'm going to stop it and add an if statement. If touching color, which is this color. Then I'm going to change y by 8. So it is going to hold the cat on the platform. So if our cat goes here, yeah. Let me do it, stop it, and I'm going to move it above, yeah, so that you all can see. And yeah, so as you can see, it is moving, but yeah, it is cool. So now I'm just going to make a maybe level out of it. So this uh, you go there, yeah. So I'm going to make a level out of it. I'm going to copy that and paste it, and I'm going to just make a simple level because it is level 1. I'm going to make it simple. Yeah, and I'm just going to copy that and paste, and copy and paste. Yeah, good. So here is our just normal level. Now I'm going to relocate it as it is going down, so I'm going to do it here, yeah, and I'm going to move it, go to X, and now let me just do this, yeah. So as you can see, it is moving, but still it is not working. So I think I should not change this one for the next costume. Yeah, the next costume is not good. So I'm going to just remove that because it's lagging. But now it's good. It's still going through them. So I'm just going to, so as you can see, our platform is built. I'm going to add another sprite, which is just a door, a brown door, and no outline. It's not actually brown. Uh, yeah, this is good. I'm just going to make it a more wider and bigger. Yeah, this is nice. So I'm going to, when green flag collect motion, it is going to be here, yes. So go to this, wait, no, go to here, and I'm going to add a forever loop and an if statement. If touching player, call this platform first, platform, yeah, and this is door, yeah. So when if touching player, we are in the door, so if touching player, then it will broadcast a message, new message. It will be when, sorry, yeah, it will be when. Then I'm just going to add a backdrop. Sorry, I'm going to choose a backdrop, I think blue sky is good. Yeah. Now I'm going to paint a backdrop. I'm going to choose dark blue and I'm going to make a square, and with the text I'm going to use the pixel. I'm going to write you win with black. Win. I'm going to make it bigger, and yeah. So now this is our background screen. First, I'm going to write the code for it. When green flag lit, I'm going to set the backdrop to blue sky 2, and when I'm going to set the backdrop to backdrop 1. Yes, so now as you can see it is the backdrop, and when I receive when it is going to be this. So now I'm going to I'm going to add a show here, and I'm going to keep the hide, and I'm going to make when I when I receive block and add it. So when I receive win hide, and same with the platform. I'm just going to draw, and same with the dude also. So the platform, okay. So now as you can see, this is our a simple scratch game.